Are we not gagging for this fucking look? I'm gonna shut up right now and get this going because, bitch, I know you guys are trying to see what this monochromatic moment. I thought this hair was orange, but it's a little red, but I'm okay with it. So if you guys are ready to do a monochromatic look right now, which, by the way, the rules are I cannot touch Morphe or touch Jeffree Star Cosmetics because y'all know I live for that shit. I love those brands. Basically, I created this entire look without using it, you guys. But in the meantime, if you guys are shopping Morphe online or in store, please use my code Kimora and save some money off. Get ready, let's get this look going. Look at my new backdrop. I hope you guys are loving this orange color. I love orange, low-key. Like, it's like one of those colors like I don't really tell people I like, but I actually really do like it. But I had to get it because everybody has pink and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so over it. But you guys, it's gonna be a fun day because you guys chose this look today and you guys chose on my live. If y'all haven't noticed, I've been going on live on my YouTube because you guys are way cooler than my Instagram friends. Be sure to check out my live when it does go up live on YouTube. I had so much fun. You guys are so cool. Now, you guys chose on my live to do a full-blown monochromatic orange look. That kind of freaks me out a little bit because orange all over the place, kind of like, oh my god, that's weird. But I love orange, so why not? Also, you guys also mentioned in my lives that I will not be able to touch Jeffree Star Cosmetics or Morphe, which is 90% of what I have. Also, I'm gonna be pulling out brands that I haven't used in a long time, so hopefully they have an orange. I don't even know what I am doing. I kind of think it's going to be like just orange. Thank you so much for everyone that has checked out my website, Kimora Supply, right here. I just shipped out the first batch of t-shirts and pins that you guys wanted. And now remember, on the website, I do have shirts for $5. These are legendary t-shirts that I have been selling for the past DragCon that I won't be ever making again. And I'm kind of thinking to myself, maybe I might make up a new t-shirt. I don't know. Put down in the comments and see what kind of t-shirts I should make. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed a bunch of orange things that I have. So we have here Huda Beauty palette. We have some ColourPop, some Natasha Denona, we have some Kajal Cosmetics, and also we have Folly Fire. So these are a bunch of orange products that I have. I kind of want to use this Kajal kind of moment, like this Kajal like stackable shadows. They're super dope because they all have 4 different colors, actually 3 different colors, and they're kind of on that orange tone. I mean, like, that's kind of pretty. I've used that before. But there's a color in here, like, I mean, obviously I feel like I'm about to run towards this guy. I also have some Huda Beauty, the Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I did use this on my eyes before, but it's just too dark, and I don't know if I want it to be super dark, but we'll see. Okay, so enough talking, let's go. I'm already pressed and ready to go. Let's go ahead and just bake underneath a little bit because we are using bright colors. Wait a minute, there's a palette here. Look. Oh, what about this guy? KVD Vegan Beauty has an orange blush that I can probably jump into as well. So I'll leave that here as well to see if we might need that. I'm hoping we don't need too much product. Taking a little bit, oh wow, I can't use Jeffree Star. I usually bake with the Topaz. Okay, so I'm gonna use the neutral set. I don't like using this one, but okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna press this here, and I'm just gonna do a thin layer. Not too much, it almost looks like eye patches. And we're gonna go ahead and just use a primer. I can't use Morphe primer. Oh, so no primer? Wow. Okay, I found an eye primer. So this one is Pretty Vulgar, and this is an eyeshadow primer base. I've never used this before. I actually got this in the mail. Oh, okay, so it looks just like, I mean, it's an eye primer, right? I'm just putting it on, and honestly, it's a primer. It's gonna do what I hope it does. Honestly, if I take some of that primer and put on my lips, it does kind of help the lipstick. But I mean, I don't have issues with lipstick staying on. But I feel like the Natasha Denona, that's cool. This is kind of cool. It honestly looks like a little version of a Norvina palette, huh? Look at that. Is this orange? This is kind of orange. Okay, so let's use a little bit of the KVD Vegan Beauty. This is Poppy and Blush. And we're just gonna really take it and just blend. Wow, this is really actually really pretty. We're just gonna blend that color. Let's go ahead and take that color, blow it into the crease. Now, taking a little bit of the Kajal. This color is called 06 Poppy Champagne. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this color and just really blend it outwards. So we're just really kind of combining those two colors together to kind of form this really pretty, I call it like a medium color orange. And you guys can check out Kajal at Sephora. They have a whole booth and you can actually go to their Instagram. They have tons of cool things. And they're so cute because they're so like stackable and like easy to use. I really like this color, so I'm gonna bring some right here. So we have something like that. I'm not mad about it, to be honest. I think that KVD Vegan Beauty really like let me have it. So I'm gonna put Natasha Denona away. I'm gonna put Huda Beauty away. Because we don't need it. I'm gonna put this other Kajal away. We don't need it. Because this is pretty much good orange. But I really want to make it like shimmery orange. All right, so let's go ahead and get a smaller brush. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this orange called Mimosa Mami. And this is in the orange You Glad palette. Blending it on the lid to really give me like that perfect orange kind of moment. Same thing here. It's not so pigmented, to be honest. Like, I think it's because obviously it's an orange, but I'm like, girl, where is the pigment? There it is. Okay, so I'm just continuing to press it on my lid. I want to completely cover my lid. Normally I would go in and do like a little cut crease moment, but because I'm not using the products that I always use, I want to see what I can do. I like it. That's kind of really pretty. There's this color here called You Peel Me. It's almost like a burnt orange color. I'm just gonna take some of this to really define that crease. It's gonna add a nice, lovely little brown moment without using brown. It almost looks like my backdrop, which is crazy to me. Okay, so now that we have this really pretty orange color, we're gonna take a white liner, which I'm gonna use the KVD Super Brow 24-Hour Color in Bleach. I put a lot of liner because in case I want it like to be a big liner or not. I usually do my liner really thick because I can go back and change it versus putting a thin line and then you're like, oh my god, I want to put like a different liner, you know. See how it just kind of pops up and just kind of makes it look more like, oh wow. I'm going to take this shadow by Folly Fire Cosmetics and this color is called Drinks on Me. And we're going to go ahead and line underneath and blow out that color. Ooh, that is pretty. Wow, that's so hot. Okay, I actually like this better than the color pop. So Folly Fire, you guys, is already so stunning that I'm like kind of obsessed. I'm just really wrapping this color around. I'm blending it into the shadow on top to kind of make like a full 360 circle. I think this is as orange as it's going to get, to be honest. I don't think it's going to get any more orange. Now, I'm okay with how the color is going, but I want to bring in more orange. Like I want to bring in almost like different shades of orange. So there's this color here called Sunkist. It reminds me of like Sunny Delight orange. So I'm gonna take some of this. I'm just gonna really treat it almost like a blush to really give me like a perfect orange, like blown out color. See, this is like exactly what I wanted. This is the orange that I wanted. I'm just gonna press it to really give me like that orange kind of moment. And you really need like a stiff blush brush for this because you want to control that color. That totally just elevated that look, which I'm so excited that we did. Now I'm gonna take my finger and use this color called Clementine, and it's almost like a perfect shimmery orange. I'm gonna mix it with this color called Tangerine Dreams, and let's go ahead and just apply this on. Whoa, that is pretty. And sometimes a finger, you guys, is just the best tool you can use, especially for me when it comes to like shimmer shadows. Like I love a finger. Now I'm gonna just really define the bottom again because we start to lose it when we start putting on product. I'm gonna take some of the orange from the Kajal and I'm just gonna really warm up my side to really give it like that warm sun-kissed blush kind of moment. And I'm gonna take the wing liner. I'm not gonna do a wing liner, but I'm just gonna line up my lid. And I'm kind of wondering if we should put some individuals on. Oh my god, I'm like so obsessed with this already. Okay, so now we're gonna take some highlight. I won't be using Morphe, so I'm gonna jump into the Laura Mercier, and we are gonna go and just highlight these cheeks a little bit, and then we're gonna add lashes on. Alright, you guys, it's time for lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. I did a cool little trick. So I went ahead and put on my Tati lashes, and I cut up some individuals, and I just literally placed them. And I was like, okay, it needed something to really blend in the lashes. So I was like, why not do like a really cool like under very thick, dramatic white liner to kind of connect everything. It's almost like a doll. So I think I pretty much nailed it, you guys. Like, this is the orange complete look with a little bit of black liner. I think that's kind of cool. Because if I didn't do the liner, it would have been like floating and weird. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into lips because I feel like I'm fully blushed. Maybe some gold. Oh, I can't use gold because that's Jeffree Star. I'm sad. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and start to line my lips up with orange. This is the Le Monster Lip Crayon. This color is called Miami Tango, and I'm gonna put a little bit of liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Spicy. I really do love the House Labs liner pencils because they're just like big thick pencils. You can use them for a full lipstick and they're super matte and they're super comfortable, which I do like. I've had experiences with Anastasia where they're just super dry, so I hope this is not too dry for me. But I'm gonna put a good layer of this guy on. So let's go ahead and color it in. I wanna fully color it in. And they come in so many different colors. So pretty. They're not even sticky, they're super matte, they feel good, and I'm gonna put this on. This is the color Spicy to really seal it for me. This two combo is so stunning. And y'all know I overdraw like a mother girl. I overdraw like crazy. Super orange. I've never done a look like this before. Okay, so let's go ahead and set. What can I set with? Okay, I'm just gonna use some Draw Cosmetics. We fully got the monochromatic, all orange, no Morphe, no Jeffree Star cosmetic, which I love by the way. So let's go ahead and get a wig on and see the final look. Alright, you guys, got the final look on. You guys, bitch, I was a little afraid that this hair is gonna be a little too red for the look. I think it kind of made me like feel more orange. You guys, I had so much fun getting into this full look with you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this monochromatic. I'm feeling very like Fanta girl, like Fanta, don't you want it? Fanta, you know what I mean? Okay, well, you guys probably don't even know what that is. Bitch, I'm actually living for this Anastasia fucking lipstick. Like this in the House Labs. Like I said, this is Mango Tango and this is Spicy. And together, it is kind of a big deal. Thank you so much for tuning in. I honestly want to say thank you to you guys. You guys chose this look last night on my live. In the meantime, I love you. You guys, we're about to hit 50K subscribers and I'm just like so ecstatic because like my goal this year is still to like 100 subscribers, which we can still get there. But I would just really love to just, oh my God, get there. On Tuesday, I will be doing an e.l.f. cosmetic versus Milani or Milano. One of those two. Drugstore makeup. You guys have asked for it. It's happening Tuesday and I will see you guys this Tuesday.